When we setting knife height and gap and knife size all okay, then we test the machine. When we check the veneer bending too much or veneer not good, we can adjust the machine work pressure. There are many ways to adjust the machine work pressure. Here we setting in one easy way. First, loose the single roller table to side screws. The 4 screws and the side gap adjust screws. 2 sides here loose. Then we use crane or forklift or one bar to make the roller table up a little and take out iron plates 0.5 毫米 thickness. It will less pressure. If want more pressure, can add iron plates to the gap. When take out the iron plates, make sure 2 sides reduce same thickness and then check the knife gap, then tight all screws and peeling a new lug to check the veneers. If you have other questions about this peeling machine, welcome connect with me to discuss.
它不一样啊。我不说啊。